Dear students, welcome to this session. In this session, we will discuss the Kruskal algorithm for constructing the minimum cost spanning tree from a graph. So the input is the weighted undirected graph. So we are taking that example. Okay. Already we applied the Prim's algorithm for the same graph. We obtained the minimum spanning tree. Now we are going to apply the Kruskal algorithm to obtain the same result, minimum spanning tree from this graph. Okay. So for this we need to know the concept of sets. Okay. This is very simple. Algorithm is looking what? Very simple, and processing also what? It is looking what? Very simple. So the first step is the let A be the collection of edges, which is going to hold or store that edges in the resultant spanning tree. So initially that A is an empty. So what is that? Capital A. Initially what? It is an empty set. Empty set means what? A set is represented in the braces like this. So A comma B comma C, like that we can represent a set. Okay. Or here we are going to represent that A as a set of edges. Okay, not the vertices, set of what? Edges. Okay. And set is represented within what? The braces. For example, set of edges means 0 comma 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3, like that we can add the edge one by one to what? That A. So initially what is that A status is what? This is that empty set. Correct. So this algorithm is going to add that edge from that graph one by one into the set what? A. So what are all the edges will be there available in that resultant minimum spanning tree that will be added to this set. So input is a graph. Okay. The graph contains what? Both vertices and what? The edges. Graph V comma what? E. Okay. Set of edges as well as what? Vertices. W is that weight matrix. Okay. So it is what? Weight matrix, which is needed for what? Obtaining the weight of what? Each edge. Okay, so that a cost of that edge will be taken from what? The weight matrix. So that is also what? Input. The Prim's algorithm, additionally we will pass what? R, that is a U starting vertex. But here there is no starting vertex. We are going to consider only that edges. Okay, tree is going to be constructed from what? That edges, not from what? The list V. Correct. After creating an empty step, the next step is we need to what? Create a set of vertices. Okay, the set which contains all the vertices. Okay, we are going to create another set which is usually called as the connected components. Okay, so now that set contains that number of what? Individual vertices. Okay, individual vertices. So how can means just to draw a table like this. Okay, and the edge, we are going to process the edge one by one. And what is the status of what? Connected components, and what is the decision? Decision means what? It can be included on the resultant or not, like that decision. Okay. So the connected components is nothing but that initial what? Set what we are going to construct. So this A, the set is what? Nothing but set of what? Edges. Now the connected components are nothing but a set of what? A set of the vertices. What we are going to assume is each and every vertices will be considered as an individual set. Okay, not we are not going to put all the vertices into a single set. Be clear. We are not put all the vertices into a single set. Instead, each and every vertex will be what put into the individual sets. It means that A will be considered as an individual set, B will be considered as an individual set. So like that, what all will be considered as what individual set. So how to specify that here is initial sets. Okay, that A alone will be one set, and then what B alone will be one set, and C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So like that, what all these vertices will be considered as individual sets. So that is an initial, okay, the sets, connected components. Okay, so that we will write in that algorithm. Okay, so for each vertex V belongs to what? G dot V. For each vertex, you need to construct that set. For constructing the set, we are going to make the use of the algorithm make set. That algorithm you no need to write here, just understand that algorithm what it will do. Okay, so make set of what V. That algorithm just what construct a set which contains that V. Okay, so that what for each vertex it will construct means what this sets will be what created, the list set of sets will be what created. Okay, so that is the next step in that algorithm. End for next we are going to consider that edges. Actually edge is represented as what within the parenthesis. Okay, edge is represented within the parenthesis. For example, 1 to this edge can be represented comma like what 1 comma 2. Okay, so this is what edge representation. Okay, that is a sample edge. So this like that only one by one we are going to add into the TA. Okay, so now what we are going to do is the edge which contains that cast also. Okay, 1 comma 2 with that cast what 8, like that what it is also having that cast. Now we are going to sort all the edges, okay, in the non-decreasing order of the weight. It means that ascending order of its weight. Okay, in the programming point of view, you can represent that edge like what starting end with that cast. Like that also you can represent it. The cast will be taken from what the weight matrix. Okay, so additionally what 1 comma 2 we can add the what the cast also 1 comma 2 comma what 8, like that also we can add it. Okay, that for programming point of view. So simple representation is what starting and the end, that is a representation. So now what we need to do, all the edges needs to be what sorted based on that weight. Okay, based on that weight. So that is the next step. Sort the edges, okay, of graph, okay, G. It means that what G dot what E. This is going to be what sorted into increasing order of what weight or non-decreasing order of what weight. Okay, so that is the next step. So first one what just what create a set with empty set, okay, which is going to store that edges. Next what we need to what create a set of connected components, that is individual vertices will be what considered as a set. Next what you need to what sort that edges into non-decreasing order of its what weight. Okay, so it means that we are going to process all the edge one by one based on its what weight. Okay, so here the step is we need to choose one edge, okay, with the least cost. Okay, because we have already sorted which one will be there in the first, the edge what 7 comma what 6 with what 1, so that is a g to h, g comma h with what 1, so that edge will be that first. Okay, 6 comma 7 with what 1. So we need to the input incoming edge is what g comma h. We can write either what h comma g or g comma h. Okay. So we need to what consider only one edge. Okay, instead of both h comma g or g comma h, any one have to take. With the cost what? With the cost is what 1. Okay, with the cost is what 1. So that is as input. Okay, g comma h with the cost is what 1. So like that we have considered. So now what we have to do in that? Okay, so incoming edge we are going to what as consider that edge one by one. So what we need to do? So see that algorithm. Okay, for each edge u comma what v belongs to what g dot e, do that following. Okay, so edges is going to be taken from that list of edges of the graph. Okay, and we need to check if find underscore set, find set of what u, okay, is not equal to what find set of, this is algorithm I am explaining. While converting into the code we need to what think about the set concept. Okay, you can design yourself. Okay, v, then so what you have to do is find set of u and find set of v, both are not equal, then that edge can be added into the a. So a equal to what, that need to be added, it means that a equal to a union what u comma v. Okay, so that set will be what added u comma v, because it is what a set, a is what already empty set, with that this set will be what merged, so that what this u comma v edge will be added to this set. Okay, so that is the result. Okay, so end if and end for. And what end algorithm. Okay, so you have to finally what return that a and then end. Okay, that a need to be written and what end cross call. Okay, so that is a simple algorithm. So what is that? Here we need to understand what is find set of u, what it is going to be written. So the find set, the make set, these are the functions related to the set concept. So make set just what it will be created like this. No need to write that algorithm. Just what understand this will be created like this. Make set. Okay, and this union as well as what that find set, both are what belongs to that set concept. Find set of u means just it will return that set which containing that u. Okay, so it returning that set which containing that u. So in this set of set, okay, find set of u means it will search on the sets in which that u is present. Okay, in which that u is present, that will be returned. Okay, what is the logic for here is if and u and v belongs to the same set, belongs to what both are present in what same set. Okay, both are present in the same set, then what you need to do is we can add, sorry, same set means that cannot be added into the spanning tree. both belongs to the different set, that we can add it into what spanning tree. That is the logic. So here how to proceed here, G comma H, correct na? So just look at that G where it is there, okay, here, and H where it is there, okay, that is what G comma what H. So G and H what present here. So what, both are belongs to different set. G is here and G H is there. Suppose G and H both present in the single set, you should not add that edge. Now what, G and H belongs to different set. Different set means what is the action is, I can include that into what spanning tree. It means that J comma H will be added into what, A. So it means that the resultant A equal to, initially what it is an empty. Now that U comma V will be added. That is what, G comma what H is what added. Okay, so now what is happening here is this will be added. So we have decided. So after deciding this, that is what, adding this U comma V to that A, we need to do another one. That is what, union of, okay, union of U comma what V. This is another function what, union. So this also what has to be what executed after what, adding that edge into that these two steps. End if after this one. Okay, so what is the meaning of this union of U comma V? This function what it will do means, just what, it will merge these two sets which containing the G and H. It means that what, it is included. Once it is included on the decision, that is spanning tree, this will become what, single set. So that what, the set will become that A and B, C, that is no changes in what, these sets, okay, and D, E, F. Now G and H will become what, single set, G comma what H, like this, okay, and then what, I. So that is an action for this one. Next what we need to do, next I have to repeat the same procedure. For each edge we have to proceed. Each edge means what, the edge is already sorted. So in the sorted order we have to what, take, okay. So now if you consider the next edge here, C comma what, that is a 1 is over, next to what, C comma I 2, and then G comma F comma G 2. So which one we have to consider, C comma what, I. C comma I with what, edge 2. So both are the 2. So we have to consider one. Among these two, I have to consider what, any one. So if you consider the C comma I, this edge, that is a 2. Okay, so just you taken the next edge to be processed is what, C comma I. Okay, with the cost what, 2. With the cost what, 2. Now you check this, what you need to do is whether the C and I belongs to the same set or not. If belongs to the different set, I can add. Same set, just I have to leave it. Okay, no need to do anything on that. Okay, so now if you are considering the 2, that is C and I, where is the C? Just you mark it. Okay, C is what, here. Okay, and then I is what, here. Both belongs to what, different set. So what decision is what I can add. After adding, so it means that you can add to what, this one. So C comma I can be added to that A. Then I need to what, merge these two sets. Okay, so merge these two sets. So that what, the set will become A, B, C comma I, D, E, F, G comma what, H. So that's all. So here it is what, merged. So we need to what, proceed like this. So next what, I need to consider the next edge with what, least cost. So we should choose what, the second next what, cost to G comma what, F. G comma what, F. with the cost 2. We can consider f comma g or g comma f. Okay, both are the same. So now g comma f, the cost what 2. Okay, that we have considered. Now I need to check g belongs to where and have f belongs to where. So g is in this set and f is what here. Okay, so both belongs to what? Different set. So different set means what? We can what? Include it. Okay, we can include. The decision is what? We can include. So I have to add this edge g comma f or f comma what? G. So that can be added into that list. So now I need to merge union of what? These two. Union operation means what? The set which containing that u comma v. Okay, union of what? U comma v means the sets which containing u and the set which containing that v both will be what? Merged. It means that these two sets will be get what? Merged. So that the result will be like a, b, c comma I, D, E, and this will be merged together f comma g comma what h, like this. Okay, this is over. So next I need to consider the next one. So next one is 1, 2 is over. Next list is what? 4. In that 4, 2 are there. So we can consider a comma b, then followed by what? C comma what? F. Okay, so that now we will consider the next edge to be processed is what? A comma b. So that edge. Okay, so now what? The cost is what? Now 4 now. Now I need to consider A and B. So where is that A and where is that B? So A is presented here and B is presented here. So now what? Both belongs to different what? Set. Different set means it can be included. Okay, so A comma B can be what? Included. So just add that A comma B to that result. Okay, so now I need to merge this, the set which containing A and B, so that what? That will become A comma what? B, a single set, C comma what? I, and then D and E, and then what? F comma G comma H, like that you have to add it. So next I have to get the next edge to be processed. Okay, the next edge in that list is what? 4 is over. Next what? This 4. Okay, so this is over, that is 1 is over, and this 2 is over, this 2 is also over, next this 4 is over, next edge is what? This 4. So that is going to be what? Processed. C comma what? F. So C comma F, that we have to consider. So now now the C comma F with the cost what? 4. We have to check where is the C and the F. C is there in this set and F is present in this set. Now what? Both belongs to what? Different set. Different set means it can be added. So what? C comma what? F will be added into the C comma what? F will be added. Then what we need to do is how to merge it. Merge it means A comma B and then C comma I comma F comma G comma H. So it will become a single set. Then D and then what? E. Okay, then D and then what? E. So this also what? Over. Next I need to what? Consider another next set. The next set, if you look at 4 is over. Next least cost is what? There is no 5 and 6. So 6 is what? This one. Okay, only one 6 is there. So it is what? This needs to be what? Considered. So G comma I. So next edge to be processed is what? G comma what? I with the cost what? 6. So we are taking the edges based on what? Its cost. Okay, so now G comma I means just to find out that G and I. Okay, so G is presented here and I is presented here. Now you look at that G and I present in the same set. If it is a same set means, as per that algorithm here, find the set of U, it is returning the same set. Find the set of V, it is also returning the same set. So what both are what equal? Both are equal means this will not get executed. It means that this will not be added into the result. So what is the decision here to be taken is what? This edge G comma I should not be added into the resultant edges. Okay, so the G comma I will not be added. So nothing changes in that what? The list set. So it will be what? As it is. There is no union and all. So just to what? A comma B and then C, I, F and G and H, D and what? E. That's all. Okay. Okay. So next we need to look for the next edge. In that what? The 6 is considered 6, after that 7. In that 7 there are two edges, C comma D and I comma what? H. So now I need to consider that any one. So C comma D like that. Just consider that C comma D. So with cost what? 7. C comma D with cost 7. Now we need to check it. C presented here and D is presented in this set. So this belongs to different set. So I can add it. Okay. Different set means what? It will not form a loop. If it is there in the same set means what? If I add it will what? Form a loop. Sorry, a cycle. Okay. Suppose if I add G comma I means both belongs to the same means what? If I add that edge, it will form a cycle. If it is form a cycle means what? You should ignore that edge. So that only what we have ignored. If it belongs to different set means what? It will not form a cycle. So that we can add it. So that is the logic for what? This algorithm. So what? Now I can add that C comma D here. Okay, C comma D with the cost what? 7. Okay, so then merge it. So if I merge here, I can merge. So A comma B, this will become C comma I comma F, G and H and what? T, single set, and then only what? So it is what? Merged together. So now I need to what? Consider the process the next edge. Okay, the next edge in that with the same 7 we are having what? Another edge. So now it is over. C comma T. Now I need to consider what? H comma I. So H comma I. So consider H comma IA with the cost what? 7. With the cost 7. So now you look at the H and I in that previous result. H and IA, where it is there. So H is presented here and I is presented here. Both belongs to the same set. It means that if I add, it will create a cycle. So we should not add that H comma IA. So what is the decision to be taken here is what? That H comma IA should not be what? Added. So the result will be that same. So what is the result is? We have to what? Write the same thing, that is A comma B. There is no merge union anything. Okay, C comma I comma F and D and what? E. I written what wrongly, that is a G comma H. Anything you can write. So now what? I need to get that next edge. The next edge if you are considering, okay, in that graph 7 is over, after that 8. The 8 two edges are there. So I have to consider that A comma H or B comma C. So if you are taking this A comma H, so A comma H with what? 8. So anything you can consider. Okay, So now A is in this set and H is in this set, so I can add this edge which belongs to what different. So the A comma H will be added into the result. So what A comma H will be added. So after that it need to be what merged. Merged means what? This A comma B comma C comma I comma F G H and D, this will be merged into a single list and then what E. Okay, so it is merged. Next edge is I have to consider B comma C. So we have to consider what? B comma what? C with what? 8. So B comma C with 8, and B is and C both will be in that same what list. So it should not be what added. So what is the result is the same what A B C I H G and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. C I F this is actually what F. Okay, F G H what D, and now change and then what E. Okay, so next I need to consider the next edge. The next edge is what? After that 8 and 9. Okay, 9 is only one 9 is presented. Okay, that need to be what considered. Okay, that is a D comma what E. So D comma E with the cost 9. With the cost what 9. So D is and E. D is presented here and E is presented here. So both belongs to different set. So it can be what added. So D comma E we can add it. Okay, and then we need to merge it. Merge it is that A B C I the F G H D and then what E. Once we are getting a single set, thereafter no need to add any edge. We can stop the procedure, or you can continue for what all the edges. Okay, because we are having only one set, it means any edge which is coming what it is belongs to what a same set. For example, if you are taking that next edge is 10, 10 is what for E comma F. E comma what F with the cost 10. So E is presented here and what F is presented here, so it should not be added. So we can write the same A B C I F and what G H T and E all are in the same set. Next I need to what consider the next one. Next edge is after that 11. The 11 is what this B comma what H, that also what will be ignored. B comma H with 11. So B comma H means this B is here and H is here. So again what same set, it should not be added. So we will have the same result. A B C I F G H D and what E. Okay, and then we have to what consider the next edge. As per that algorithm we need to what continue. So next edge what we don't know what whether it is having the multiple sets or a single set. So that as per the algorithm the process needs to be what completed on each and every edges. Okay, so I must continue up to what all the edges have been processed. So here next edge is what 11. After that last edge is what 14. Okay, till this what all the 14 edges will be what processed. So no more edges are there. So last edge is what D comma F. So D comma what F. Now that cost is the 14. Now you just check D and F with belongs to that same F and then what D. Okay, so that should not be what added. so that final list will be that set will be that A, B, C, I, F, G, H, D, and then what, E. That's all. Okay, so no more edges is there, so we can stop the procedure as per the algorithm. As per the algorithm, this needs to be repeated for what, each and every edge. So no more edges there in the graph, we can stop. So now what we need to return is these edges. Okay, so now actually what 9 vertices are there. How many edges should be there in that A? 8 edges should be there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 what, 8. So 8 edges are over. So what, we can send this as a result. Okay, so if I draw this, okay, G comma H, so G H with the cost what, 1, okay, and C comma IA, C to IA with the cost, C comma I with the cost what, 2, okay, and then G comma F. So G comma F means G is already there, so F with the cost G comma F cost 2. Next A comma B, okay, so A comma B with the cost what, A comma B cost is what, 4, so that need to be added. Next C comma F, so C and what, F, so it is already there, so just what we have to add this C comma F, so with the cost is 4. Okay, next I need to add the C comma D, so D has to be what, added, C comma D with the cost what with the cost is C comma D cost is 7. Okay, that need to be added. And then A comma H, so A and H, okay, so that need to be added, A comma H, it will not form a loop. Okay, so A comma H cost is 8, so that have to be added, 8. And then next D comma E, so E is not there, so you have to add that E, and then D comma E has to be added, so that cost is D comma E 9. Okay, so the same graph which we are getting for what the frames that we can obtain. Okay, if the multiple that is this numbers, the duplication is present in that cost 8 8 7 7, okay, 2 2, like that means what, the multiple result is possible. Okay, but as per that algorithm, what the result you are obtaining is correct. Okay, but it may have what, the multiple result. Instead of this 2, what, another 2 may be what, joined. Okay, G comma F may be what, joined, like that what, it may have what, multiple result. So this is the result we are obtaining for what, but the final cost will be the same. So total cost should be what, the same. Okay, whatever the result, the total cost, minimum cost should be what, the same. So what is that cost here? 37. So 37 is the total cost. Okay, so if the graph is given and if you are asked to what, explain that Kruskal algorithm, you may need to write that algorithm, and then what, you have to trace that algorithm what with this table. Okay, set concept. Okay, like this you need to what, explain, and finally you should get this result A, and you should draw that spanning tree, resultant spanning tree, and what will be the cost, like that you have to what, write. But no need to write that algorithm for what, find set, union, make set, this merging. Okay, these are all the functions related to the set concept. Just understand what the find set is going to return. Okay, what does a union will do, okay, what this merge will do, like that what, just you understand it. Okay, and try to convert this algorithm into a code. Okay, that implementation, do it yourself. Okay, if you have the doubt, you can ask. Okay, thank you.